10th Standard Science Unit 11 Carbon and its Compounds. இந்த லெசனோட புக் பேக் ஆன்சர் பார்க்கலாம். அதுக்கு முன்னாடி சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணாதவங்க சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிடுங்க. First Roman letter, choose the best answer. First one, the molecular formula of an open chain organic compound is C3H6. The class of the compound is option B answer alkane. Second one, the IUPAC name of an organic compound is 3-methyl-butan -1-0L. What type of compound it is? Option D answer alcohol. Third one, the secondary suffix used in IUPAC nomenclature of an aldehyde is dash. Option C answer -AL. Fourth one, which of the following pairs can be the successive members of an homologous series? Option A answer C3H8 and C4H10. Fifth one, C2H5OH plus 3O2 2CO2 plus 3H2O is a option B answer combustion of ethanol. Sixth one, rectified spirit is an aqueous solution which contains about dash of ethanol. Option A answer 95.5%. Seventh one, which of the following are used as anesthetics? Option B answer ethers. Eighth one, TFM in soaps represents dash content in soap. Option C fatty acid. Ninth one, which of the following statement is wrong about detergents? Option A answer, it is a sodium salt of long chain fatty acids. Roman letter 2, fill in the blanks. First one, an atom or a group of atoms which is responsible for chemical characteristics of an organic compound is called dash. Answer functional group. Second one, the general molecular formula of an alkanes is dash. Answer CnH2n2. Third one, in IUPAC name, the carbon skeleton of a compound is represented by dash. Root word, prefix, suffix. Answer root word. Fourth one, saturated or unsaturated. Dash compound decolorize bromine water. Answer unsaturated. Fifth one, dehydration of ethanol by sulfuric acid form dash. Ethene then ethane. Ethene. Sixth one, 100% pure ethanol is called dash. Absolute alcohol. Seventh one, ethanic acid turns dash limus to dash. Blue then red. Eighth one, the alkaline hydrolysis of a fatty acid is termed as dash. Saponification. Ninth one, biodegradable detergents are made of dash. Chain hydrocarbons. Branched or straight? Answer straight. Third Roman letter, match the following. Answer first one, functional group OH alcohol. Then heterocyclic furan. Third one, unsaturated ethane. Fourth one, soap potassium stearate. Fifth one, carbocyclic benzene. Fourth Roman letter, assertion and reason. Answer the following questions using the data given below. First one, assertion. Detergents are more effective cleansing agents that soaps in hard water. Reason, calcium and magnesium salts of detergents are water soluble. Answer option first one, A and R are correct or explains the A. Second one, assertion. Alkanes are saturated hydrocarbons. Then reason, hydrocarbons consist of covalent bonds. Answer fourth one, option A and R are correct or doesn't explains A. Fifth Roman letter, short answer questions. First one, name the simplest ketone and give its structural formula. Answer for simplest ketone is acetone. Structural formula CH3COCH3. Second one, classify the following compounds based on the pattern of carbon chain and give their structural formula. First one, propane. Second one, benzene. Third one, cyclobutane. Fourth one, furan. First point, propane, acylic. Second point, benzene, cyclic aromatic compound. Third point, cyclobutane, alicyclic. Fourth point, furan, heterocyclic. Third one, how is ethanoic acid prepared from ethanol? Give the chemical equation. Answer, ethanoic acid is prepared in large scale by the oxidation of ethanol in the presence of alkaline potassium, permanganate or acidified potassium dichromate. CH3CH2OH. Ethanol CM NO4OH, then CH3CQQH, ethanoic acid plus H2O. Fourth question, how do detergents cause water pollution? Suggest remedial measures to prevent this pollution. Some detergents having a branched hydrocarbon chain are not fully biodegradable by microorganisms present in water, so they cause water pollution. We have to limit our use of detergents. Using the minimum amount of detergents while washing clothes or dishes will reduce the pollution. It is better to use only phosphate free detergents. Fifth question, differentiate soaps and detergents. First one, soap. First point, it is a sodium salt of long chain fatty acids. நீங்கள் differentiate பண்ணி எழுதிக்கங்க. Second point, take ionic part of your soap is COO positive. Third point, it is prepared from animal fats or vegetable oils. Then fourth point, its effectiveness is reduced when used in hard water. Fifth point, it forms a scum in hard water. Sixth point, it has poor foaming capacity. Seventh point, soaps are biodegradable. Next one, detergent. Detergent la first point, it is sodium salt of sulfonic acid. Then second point, the ionic part in detergents is SONA positive. Third point, it is prepared from hydrocarbons obtained from crude oil. Fourth point, it is effective even in hard water. Fifth point, does not form a scum in the hard water. It has sixth point, just rich foaming capacity. Seventh point, most of the detergents are non-biodegradable. Sixth Roman letter, long answer question. First one, what is called homologous series? Give any three of its characteristics. Answer, homologous series is a group or a class of organic compounds having same general formula and similar chemical properties in which successive numbers differ by -CH2 group. Characteristics of homologous series. First point, each member of the series differ from the preceding or succeeding member by one methylene group -CH2 and hence by a molecular mass of 14 MO. Second point, all members of a homologous series containing the same elements and functional group. Third Roman letter, they are represented by a general molecular formula. Example, alkane CnH2n plus 2. Then fourth Roman letter, the members in each homogeneous series show a regular gradation in their physical properties with respect to their increase in molecular mass. Second question, arrive at systematically the IUPAC name of the compound CH3 CH2 CH2 minus OH. Answer step 1. The parent chain consists of 3 carbon atoms. The root word is prop. Step 2. There are single bonds between the carbon atoms of the chain, so the primary suffix is "-an". Step 3. Since the compound contains OH group, it is an alcohol. The carbon chain is numbered from the end, which is closer to OH group. Rule 3. 3, 2, 1. CH3 minus CH2 minus CH2 minus OH. Step 4. The locant number of minus OH group is 1 and thus the secondary suffix is 1 minus OL. The name of the compound is prop plus "-an" plus 1 minus OL, then propane equal to propane minus 1 minus OL. Note the terminal E of "-an" is removed as per rule 5. Third question, how is ethanol manufactured from sugarcane? Answer, ethanol manufacture. Ethanol is manufactured in industries by the fermentation of molasses, which is a byproduct obtained during the manufacture of sugar from sugarcane. Molasses is a dark colored syrup liquid left to the crystallization of sugar from the concentrated sugarcane juice. Molasses contain about 30% of sucrose, which cannot be separated by the crystallization. It is converted into ethanol by the following steps. First point, dilution of molasses. Molasses is first diluted with water to bring down the concentration of sugar to about 8 to 10%. Then second point, addition of nitrogen source. Molasses usually contain enough nitrogenous matter to act as food for yeast during the fermentation process. If the nitrogen content of the molasses is poor, it may be fortified by the addition of ammonium sulfate or ammonium phosphate. Third point, addition of yeast. The solution obtained in step 2 is collected in large fermentation tanks and yeast is added to it. The mixture is kept at about 303 K for few days. During this period, the enzymes invertase and enzymes present in yeast bring about the conversion of sucrose into ethanol. Then copy down this formula. The fermented liquid is technically called wash. Distillation of wash. The fermented liquid, example was containing 15 to 18% alcohol, is now subjected to fractional distillation. The main fraction drawn is an aqueous solution of ethanol, which contains 95.5% of ethanol and 4.5% of water. This is called rectified spirit. This mixture is then reflected over quick lime for about 5 to 6 hours and then allowed to stand for 12 hours. On distillation of this mixture, pure alcohol 100% is obtained. This is called absolute alcohol. Fourth question, give the balanced chemical equation of the following reaction. First point, neutralization of NaOH with ethanoic acid. Second point, evolution of carbon dioxide by the action of ethanoic acid with NaHCO3. Third point, oxidation of ethanol by acidified potassium dichloramate. Fourth point, combustion of ethanol. Answer, first, ethanoic acid react with sodium hydroxide to form a sodium ethanoate and water. CH3COOH plus NaOH, CH3COO Na plus H2O. Second point, ethanoic acid react with sodium bicarbonate and liberates CO2 with brisk effervescence. CH3COOH plus NaHCO3, CH3COO Na plus CO2 plus H2O. Third point, ethanol is oxidized to ethanic acid with alkaline KMNO4 or acidified K2 Cr207, CH3CH2OH, K2Cr2O7, slash H positive by 2 0 CH3COOH plus H2O, ethanoic acid. Fourth point, ethanol is highly inflammable liquid. It burns with oxygen to form carbon dioxide and water. C2H5OH, 302 2CO2 plus 3H2O. Ethanol plus oxygen, carbon dioxide plus water. Fifth question, explain the mechanism of cleansing action of soap. Answer, first point, a soap molecule contains two chemically distinct parts that interact differently with water. It has one polar end, which is a short head with a carboxylate group minus COONA, and one non-polar end having the long tail made of the hydrocarbon chain. Second point, the polar end is hydrophilic, water loving in nature, and this end is attracted towards water. The non-polar end is hydrophobic, water hating in nature, and it is attracted towards dirt or oil on the cloth but not attracted towards water. Thus the hydrophobic part of the soap molecule traps the dirt, and the hydrophilic part make the entire molecule soluble in water. Third point, when a soap or detergent is dissolved in water, the molecules join together as clusters called mixtures. Their long hydrocarbon chains attach themselves to the oil and dirt. The dirt is thus surrounded by the non-polar end of the soap molecules. The charged carboxylate end of the soap molecule makes the mixtures soluble in water. Thus, the dirt is washed away with the soap. Seventh Roman letter, Hart's question. First one, the molecular formula of an alcohol is C4H10O. The locant number of its minus OH group is 2. First point, draw its structural formula. The formula note பண்ணிக்கங்க. Second point, give its IUPAC name. Second, minus butanol. Third point, it is a saturated or unsaturated. Answer, saturated. Second one, an organic compound A is widely used as a preservative and has the molecular formula C2H402. This compound reacts with ethanol to form a sweet smelling compound B. First point, identify the compound A, ethanoic acid, acetic acid. Second point, write the chemical equation for its reaction with ethanol to form compound B. The chemical equations வந்து நோட் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. Third point, name the process exterification. Concept map நோட் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. இதோட lesson over. Thank you for watching.